Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles it, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, guys, we are doing an unboxing reveal of IPSY BOXYCHARM subscription, which I get every month. But I didn't open it for I didn't open it last month for you guys. So here I am with a BOXYCHARM special. I hope you guys enjoy. I love this subscription. I hope you guys consider getting one. And all I gotta say is remember to leave a like in the video, and I'm about to tell you guys about these products right now. So welcome back to all the handlers, and if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty in the right place. If you wanted to learn something, just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and I will love on you over here. Now guys, this will be probably a fun video for you guys, so remember to leave a like. Yeah, I like these brow pencils. These brow pencils are nice. It's by Shades by Shen, and this costs $22. It's a full size because BoxyCharm sends you full sizes. It's Shades by Shen, the brow duo in soft black. Transform your brows with this dual ended. It's dual. Does it has another side to it? With this dual. No, it doesn't. Oh, well, I'll check. It says dual. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, nice. That's like the gel part to get your brows together. And yeah, I like this. So this is 22 bucks, guys. And the pencil creates natural hair-like strokes to fill and define, while the clear gel tames and locks brows in place while with a precision brush. So I love this. I really do. Put that to the side. Oh my god, I got Fenty Beauty. Yes. It's Fenty Beauty, Fenty Cheek Suede Powder Blush in Daiquiri. This is the color it comes in Daiquiri Dip. Meet the blush that brings the drama and the performance. Yes, Riri, baby. You know I love you, Riri. This high-impact, airy, soft powder delivers bold coral. I love the color coral. Red color in one swipe. Ooh, look at that is nice. Yes, Riri. Yes, girl. Ooh. So beautiful. Let's do a swatch, guys. I cannot wait to wear this. That's so pretty. Oh my lord. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. I need better lighting. Hold on. Guys, look at this color. It's like an orangey reddish. I've always loved coral. And look at the packaging Riri put it in. And you can build it. Build it up. Yes. I love this. So, this is something I'm happy to get. And this cost, in store, $28. Tip. Gently tap your brush into the blush, then apply and blend it across your cheeks. Okay, we already knew that, but I got this in the box, and this IPSY is worth $30 now a month. Oh, I love Fenty Beauty. IPSY is worth $30 a month now, so you get full-size products, at least 5 of them, in your box every month for just $30. Okay, I've been needing some sunscreen. I'm not going to lie. Doesn't matter what complexion you are, you need sunscreen. And I got the Unseen Sunscreen, which is Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen. And this costs $38. Protect your skin from harsh UV rays with this unscented and weightless cult fave sunscreen that goes on invisible and leaves behind a velvety, smooth finish. All right. Let's see what it looks like. All right, it has a top on it. Well, warm weather is coming up, so I will be using this. And not even warm up. Let me get that. But not even warm weather. Like, sun is out even in the winter. So, what am I saying? You need to wear sunscreen all the time. So, it did feel light, though. It feels like nothing, actually. Which is good. It feels like nothing. And it smells kind of fresh, like nothing. It's weird, but I like this product, and like I said, it's $38, guys. I feel like this is a good one. I'm kind of liking this box this month. Next in the box, oh, I thought it was another Fenty, guys. This is a lip scrub. That is so weird because I just made my own lip scrub the other day with some sugar and a little bit of lemon. But let's see what they got here. So this is Element lip scrub, and this is, let me read up on this because I've never seen this one before. But Element lip scrub, prep your pout, say that fast 10 times. Prep your pout with this gentle exfoliator packaged with vitamin E. It sweeps away dead skin cells, leaving your lips soft, smooth, and ready for any lip color. Okay, think of it as the perfect primer for your lipstick lineup. I like that. So this is a lip scrub. Let's see if it has a scrubbing sensation to it. Just a little bit. Just a little. Oh yeah, I feel it. I feel the scrubbing sensation in it. Okay, it feels good. No taste. Well, it has a little sweet taste to it, so obviously sugar is in it. If you want to make your own lip scrub, yeah, you can make it with sugar. But this costs $18, guys. And I'm sure that all these products that I'm showing you guys are in Sephora or Ulta. Yeah. So the last product in the box is this big guy right here. And this is Done With the Slay makeup remover. Oh, I wish it was a makeup finisher spray, but this says remover. So let's see. Ooh. So makeup remover. Ooh, it's cute. Nice to have on your makeup stand or whatever. It has a little glittery look to it, if you guys can see in the bottle. Looks nice. And it's a remover. Okay. Next time, IPSY, send me a finisher. Like I already told you guys, if you're willing, if you like want to build up your makeup collection, IPSY is a good brand to join for $30 a month for full boxes. And this is the March box. Every month they send you a box and it comes with a theme. This is really soft and nice. I wish it was like something else other than a makeup remover. Let's read it and see if it does anything else. All right, this product costs $21. You had your slay moment, and now it's time to remove any and all of the traces of the makeup with this multitasking makeup remover. Not only does it effortlessly melt away makeup while leaving your skin glowing and refreshed, but it even helps brighten with daily use. I can see why they say it helps brighten. It has like an oil base, but then it has like some little like diamonds in it, like glittery diamonds. Yeah, I like this. This was a good box this month. And I'm going to add up all the prices for you guys so you can see how much everything came up to in the box. But this is how they send it. It comes monthly. You get literally 5 products for only $30, and everything in here is over $100. So let's add it up and see how much everything came to. Okay, so $18 plus $21 plus $22 plus $38 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this one is, how much is for, oh, this one, last one is $28 for the Fenty. Equals, so the box is $127, guys. All right, so that's March Madness for March. BOXYCHARM, IPSY, Glam Bag, Icon Box, Refreshments. They all are affiliated. So when I just started getting this box, it was called BOXYCHARM on the top, but now it's IPSY. So I don't know if IPSY bought out BOXYCHARM or if IPSY bought out all of these products. Well, not products, but businesses, because I know BOXYCHARM is a business. Refreshments I have received before. And these are all app boxes that you get every month. Subscription boxes, I should call them. But yeah, good box. I've been getting it for like 3, 4, 5 months straight now. Sometimes I cancel I stop my subscription, but I'm gonna keep on with next month because I actually loved this box. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.